How to create Real MetaTrader 4 account. For that, first of all, make sure that you have downloaded MetaTrader application on your device. If you have not, then go through the App Store, search for MetaTrader 4 and tap on Get. It will require your Face ID. Once you hit on that, it will be downloaded. Once it is installed, simply tap on Open and Accept the terms and condition. Then open a demo account pop-up will be appear. Simply tap on Open Demo Account. On the bottom right, you will see Setting Gear icon. Tap on it. From there, on the top, you will see New Account option. You have to simply hit on that. First of all, you have to open your demo account before opening a real MetaTrader 4 account. Now simply tap on open a demo account and there you will see meta codes option. Tap on it. Now from here tap your name, phone number, email address and all of the account information. Once you fill out all of this, tap on the register on the top right and your account will be created on MetaTrader 4. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.